Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. One of the reasons why I do what I do is because Nigerians don't have, should I say they don't have a retentive memory? They have short memories. Nigerians don't remember things. If something happened today, tomorrow Nigerians will forget and start partying. They forget their pain. They forget where they shot them. They forget everything that transpired. They are always just living today. If they see their daily bread, they would forget about yesterday, forget about tomorrow. Nigerians don't remember that the experience of yesterday has a lot to do with the experiment of today, which is responsible for the expectation of tomorrow. Now, I want to react to the ongoing issue of insecurity in the Southeast, the way they are tackling it, and the way the whole things are going. I am so much happy, and I'm going to tell you why I am happy with the level of things going on in the Southeast. Now, I want to highlight the level of insecurity in the Southeast. They are of two types of insecurity. Okay, let me extend it to three kinds of insecurity in the Southeast. Number one, we have invaders who are the Fulani terrorists. The herdsmen, as they call them, who comes, they burn down houses, like what happened in Ebonyi State recently. They killed a lot of people and so on and so forth. This is one of the major concerns of the people right from 2017, even when Nnamdi Kanu formed the ESN to secure the bushes. This kind of insecurity has been in Igbo land. Though the politicians, they are not interested to solving this particular kind of insecurity, unlike the Southwest governors. Now, that is one kind of, insecurity. Let us go to the second one. The second kind of insecurity in the Southeast is a politically motivated insecurity. Hope Uzodinma can bear me witness. He told us that the major insecurity in the Southeast as well is because of politics of bitterness. Politicians in the Southeast knows what I am talking about. Politicians hate the fellow politicians. Politicians can pay kidnappers to kill fellow politicians. That was what happened in Anambra State, where they arrested someone who won the House of Assembly member, a Labour Party member, through the court, defeating the PDP man. What happened? He was kidnapped, and later they saw his lifeless body under the bridge. That is the second kind of this politics of bitterness. Someone like former Imo governor Rocha Sokorocha is aware of what I'm saying. Countless times he has said this. So this is the second kind of insecurity in the Southeast. Then the third kind of insecurity in the Southeast is the ritualists, kidnappers. And these people are problem majorly in Anambra State. Remember that someone like Valentine Ozigbo, Fadebube Monso, and we bloggers, we criticize Soludo. In fact, we push Soludo to be doing what he's doing today. Despite people are criticizing what he's doing, there is a way there are some ways he's trying, there are some ways, his boys are doing things that are wrong, contrary to the law. That is apart. But majority of the issue in Anambra State is just kidnappers, okay? Now, do you know the reason why I highlighted these three major kinds of insecurity in Igbo land? I did this purposely because before today, a lot of people are telling you that Biafra agitators are the problem of insecurity in the Southeast. I took time to make videos upon videos telling people that, come on, these people are not the main issue. ipob is not the issue. Biafra agitators are not the main issue. Despite some of them could claim what they did not do, but I am telling you that these people are not the problem. Now, in Anambra State, all these kidnappers, it has connection with people who want to become rich overnight. Greediness. And these people kidnapping, majority of them are Igbos. I mean the ritualists, okay? The ritualist part of it. Majority of them, 99% of them are Igbos. These people has absolutely nothing to do with Biafra agitation. They have nothing to do with Biafra agitation. So this is a very important something that you must take to the bank. That the kidnapping in Anambra, have you ever seen where they arrested someone, they said this person is a Biafra agitator? No. Because these people has nothing to do with Biafra agitation. These people are just ritualists. You can find them almost the whole state in Nigeria. You can find ritualists almost the whole state in Nigeria. So it has nothing to do with the label of the Biafra agitation in the Southeast. That is it. Then let's focus on the politics of bitterness that Hope Uzodinma told the whole world on Channels Television the other day. And when you look at it, it has nothing to do with Biafra agitation. This is politicians versus politicians. Trying to sponsor talk, trying to do this and that. People have to understand this. Nigerians have short memory. When they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu, the reason why everybody pushed, almost the politicians then pushed for his kidnap, is that they thought that he was responsible for the security. Although they knew he was not, but it's an allegation because of the threat of his influence. That is apart. I'm just trying to bring you back. So anytime they want to fight or they want to kill or they want to do evil against the Igbos, especially people who are agitating, they will tell you that they are responsible for the insecurity. Tell me how. Now, the third one is the Fulani attack. The Fulani attack, the soldiers, the police, and the politicians in the southeast, they are not interested. Now, let me remind you what happened in Ebonyi State again, because our people have short memory. In Ebonyi State, the villagers narrated to us, they narrated to me personally, me, Okocha, Marcel, the villagers narrated to me personally that when the incident finished happening, after soldiers told them that nothing is going to happen, after 1 hour the soldiers left, the invaders came, killed them, burned their houses. For 6 hours, nobody came. Immediately they left, soldiers, police, they came back, they told them sorry. The soldiers, the military, they took their phones away. They took their phones away. Then after taking their phones away, so that they will not cover what is going on, they took away the corpse. Before, after some time, they brought back their phone, they shared it with them. Then the one I witnessed myself was the video they sent to me. That was after they gathered the dead bodies at a particular place. So people were able to film what is happening. What pains me most, I shed tears, okay? I hardly shed tears. But that thing struck my mind. I was disappointed. Now, what struck my mind was, I was seeing healthy security men standing guiding the dead bodies, looking at the people who are mourning. Then I asked, it was the person that sent me the video a question. Do these security men, do they go after the perpetrators of this crime? He said, he don't know. I asked the second person, these security men that are guiding the dead body, where are the people who killed these people? Have they arrested them? He said, no. And up to today, police has not given any report about the arrest of them. Ebonyi State government has not given a report about the arrest of them. And these people has nothing to do with the Biafra agitators. I have to complain without bias. I am not doing this video because of anything. I'm just doing this video because we have short memories. Have you people forget just in last 2 months here, even before the arrest of Simon Ekpa, how everybody was saying these people are the reason why there are insecurity, these people are the reason why. Ask Soludo whether the IPOBs are the one doing rituals in Anambra. It is not them. Before the issue of IPOB and so on and so forth, there has been rituals right from time. But it has nothing to do with the Biafra agitation. Go and make your inquiries, guys. Go and make your inquiries. I am saying this because let no one comes out tomorrow to tell you that, oh, look at the people who are responsible for everything. Now, the security operatives are the one on the mission of labeling everything they caught, that is IPOB members. They will catch kidnappers, they will say IPOB. They will catch thieves, they will say IPOB. They are on that mission, we know about that. But these people has nothing to do with IPOB or the Biafra agitators. I'm not saying this because of anything. I'm just trying to set the record straight so that in the future, people will really know what transpired, that there was an allegation against Biafra agitators that they are causing insecurity. But when everybody joined hands together, we all joined hands together, okay, to fight for this security issue. But what we are saying is that nobody is now condemning that it is IPOB. Because they have arrested people who are kidnapping, they are arresting people who are doing ritual, they are even arresting some native doctors, the Fulani herdsmen are killing, the whole insecurity is boiling in the southeast now. But just tell me, is it Biafra agitators? A lot of people made video, they lied against Biafra agitators. A lot of people, I invited them on my platform that I want to interview them. They could not come. A lot of people are running away from me because they know I have their records, I have their facts. You can't come before me and lie to me because I'm going to give you the records straight and I'm going to give you these records with proof. If I am telling you something, I will give you the proof of what I'm saying. So I don't just come out and face the camera and do video because I want to talk. No, I don't do that because security issue is a very sensitive issue because I am prepared for everything that comes after my broadcast every day. Yeah, I do that. If I made a broadcast, okay, where are the proof? Where are the newspaper report? I gathered it together. Even the calls they gave me, the number that gave me the call, I record the voice, I do everything. So I am fully prepared for everything because tomorrow maybe someone can come and they said, I want to take Okocha to the lawsuit to prove what he's saying or to prove what he's doing. I will smile to the court. I know that most of the criminal justice system we have in Nigeria. They don't even, if they're against you, they're against you. They don't want even to understand whether you are right or wrong, whether you have proof. Nnamdi Kanu is one of the reasons you could say that, yes, this is correct. Even though you are correct, since they have the interest to jail you, they will do everything possible to jail you. But that is apart. What I'm trying to say is that everything, almost everything I'm doing here, I have the proof. So I just say, let me remind people who has been on my neck telling me that what I said before, that the Biafra agitators are not responsible for Southeast insecurity. It is time for us to understand what I said before as the real truth, as the correct thing. These people are not responsible. The people who are responsible, we are now seeing them now. Okay? We are now seeing them. Look at how houses are being burnt down. Many people are being killed. Are they still Biafra agitators? Anyway, if you feel that this video is reasonable to you, I want you to share it to as many people as possible, because we must set the record straight. We must let people to know that this is this and this is this. We must call this spade a spade. Okay? Let me know what you think on the comment section. Okay?